So this is a comparison video of my Walther PPS M2 and my friend's Glock 26. I believe going to be Gen 2. You guys, if you know, mention it in the comments. I generally don't do gun comparison videos. I don't do a lot of gun videos because there's so many people out there that do it way better than I do. So I'd rather just watch theirs and learn instead of talk. But I did have some observations that I wanted to share. When I bought this gun, I got it because I wanted something a little different and supposedly similar, easier to carry. I already had a Glock 19. I felt there was too much overlap between the 26 and the 19. Figured dropping down to this made more sense. But I'm looking at these things close, side by side. They're basically identical. This, let's ignore that this pinky extension is here. We're going to measure it like if it's not there. But because I have one for this too that I'm just not on it, so I want to measure apples to apples here. But if you put them on top of each other, these things are basically identical, right? Of course, from the top. And when you get them to the side, that's where you see the difference, right? The single stack versus the double stack. Now, really, how much more did I get? So, obviously, you have the double stack here, single stack here, 10 rounds, 6 rounds. So did I sacrifice 4 rounds justifiably? That's the question on the table. Well, how do we find that out? Well, let's see. How different are these things really? Let's take it from here. And turn on. And 0. There we go. So this is, no, that's not the fattest part. The fattest part is about here. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. 1.01 on the fattest part of the gun. Let's see what it looks like on the Glock. Oh, I'm on the slide. Let's try that again. 1.16. So about a 1/15 of an inch different width-wise on the fattest part of both guns. Okay, that's not that much, is it? Well, let's see if it's much heavier or much lighter. Maybe that helps. Maybe that justifies going with the Walther instead of the Glock. 21.25. .85, so about 0.6 ounce difference. Not much, half an ounce. Let's see, let's try the trigger pull. I expect this one to have a lighter one because it's probably got a lot more rounds to it than 91 does. Much older gun. Let's try that. I can't, right there it goes, 6.69. I'm going to do that again. I'm not trusting that. Came in less lower. Well, I guess it was right. So 6.9 is 6.10. 5.9. Pretty consistent actually. So about a pound difference on the trigger pull in favor of the Walther, if that's your thing. On a striker fired carry gun, 6.9, anywhere between 5.5 to 6.5 to 7 even. I'm absolutely fine with. If you're going to carry it around in the chamber, you don't want something so light. But shoot both guns really well. I've got no problems with either one. But that 4-round discrepancy is bothering me. Certainly like the sights on the Walther a little bit better. They're a little brighter, pop a little bit nicer. This is an older Glock, so the newer Glocks may have better ones. I'm not sure. But I like the way this one feels my hand better. Now again, let's pretend that pinky extension isn't there. I still feel I get better purchase on the Glock than I do the Walther. But again, I don't have an accuracy problem with either gun or a shooting problem with either gun. They both fire very nice. But the 4-round discrepancy and the slight difference between the two has me wondering, should I have gotten a 26? So I'd love to hear your comments in the comment section, what you think about them. So again, I'm doing this fast paced because that's the kind of videos I tend to like. Give you a lot of information in a short amount of time. But I wanted to have this, I wanted to start the conversation. Thanks, guys. Enjoy.